Good morning, Gromy. Tuesday, May the 5th. I hope your morning's starting off great. I never did cut this damn sumac back last year. This is the safe kind. I'm just gonna let her grow. I might make a tea out of it when it fruits, or I might just chop it the fuck down this fall. We will see. Let's walk around back and see what kind of damage I created after yesterday. I haven't looked yet. We'll find out together. My candies are popping. The ones by the porch ain't doing so daggone well. I think the grubs done got to them bulbs or something. Sadie, she been digging and scratching around in that flower bed quite a bit. I think some bugs done got to them poor girls. I'll just take some bulbs from here. We'll see how it goes. Candace still trying. Okra looks happy from the feed. Good old Alaska fish fertilizer. Goddamn flies love it, I know that. Oh, YouTube stomped all over my live yesterday. Said I was talking something. The word that starts with S and ends in "id." Yeah, I don't know what kind of crazy mess they were talking about. I peeled it. And then they gave me a bunch of other reasons why they stomped on my stuff. You can't win with them, man. They give you one excuse for restricting your video, you appeal it, and then they give you another whole line of excuses other than the ones they said to begin with. I can't figure them fuckers out. I ain't worried about it. Piss on them. Yeah, it looks like everything like that. Let's slip in here and look at these mater plants we up-potted and transplanted yesterday. Here's the American beauty berries. I've been trying to root for Jeep Man. We might got something going on there. Put a little bit of Alaska fish fertilizer in this yesterday. I caught a fly. Yeah, I think we might be getting some roots going on there. Tell me what you think. About time to sucker some of these mater plants. Dragon's gonna get beat up here very soon. Yeah. I got a blueberry bush around back. Let's check it out. Okie dokie, I got the blueberry bush in its final resting spot. Old Clover getting ready to throw some seeds out there. I like my little clover, don't you? Blueberry bush looking pretty good. Yeah. Hello, baby. Whew. Little white butterflies flying all over the place. It's time to get the PM started. The battle is going to begin very soon. And it's going to continue all the way to Halloween, baby. I hope the old man can hang. Pray for me. Whew. All right, kids. Yeah, look at them scrambling, boy. Daddy's out here. They hungry. Whew. Have a fantastic fucking day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.